Are you ready for the 4 pancake red velvet, whatever this is, challenge?
Yep.
So we're at Hanauma Bay today. Take a look at the bay. Don't worry, I'm not showing you guys anything. I'm showing myself here. So Hanauma Bay. Ava, come here. Do you want to go snorkeling? You do? Come here. Do you want to say hi?
Hi, Boo.
Hi, wait a second. Hey, you're going down. You gotta say hi. All right. So we're gonna go do some awesome snorkeling, and hopefully I can get some good images of fishies. I'm thinking maybe more that way where there's less people. Hi, we just finished snorkeling. Oh, and we're cold.
Okay. I am so cold.
We're cold, but did some
so we saw parrotfish, we saw yellow tang, we saw like a needlefish, we saw pufferfish.
Oh, I saw the, I hope I got it, but I saw the Hawaiian fish.
Yeah, the
snake fish.
Yeah, I saw that one.
Wait, is that the yellow with the black stripes?
No, it's like, light yellow with black stripes and kind of like the lips and the blue. They're blue.
Ah, crap. I saw the yellow. What's the yellow and black one with the yellow and the black stripes?
And that would be probably.
Well, you are freezing. I'm cold.
I'm like freezing.
I feel perfect.
Hopefully, I got some good footage out here.
Yeah, it seemed really cool. That was actually minus right here, really good clarity.
Yeah, it was. Yeah. It was good. Yeah, right here it's really cloudy.
So there was a guy standing right there. I thought it was you. I was just pointing out the face.
You guys all washed off?
Yeah.
Good job. Let's see.
Okay. Now I'm gonna be
Hi, baby guy. Let's get you in your car seat. I don't know. All I see is a whole bunch of rocks, and I don't see anything.
Look behind you.
Behind me?
Yeah.
Oh, whoa. There it is. whole bay and everything. We get to hike up. The reward for having a fun day is you get to hike up this hill
Work off all
at the end of the day.
pretzels we ate.
That's right. I work off my 20 whole grain goldfish that I ate to check this out. Hi, bud. Do you think you can eat this pancake?
Thank you.
You have to eat. Ava, come here. You've got to eat all of these pancakes. Yeah. You and Alex have to eat every one of them. Are you ready for the 4 pancake red velvet, whatever this is, challenge?
Yep.
So we were just at this ABC store here, and we got all sorts of gum. Alright, here we go. We've got, look at these types of gums. This is the gum that I eat a lot. So we've got Tridentler Swedish fish. Here you go, baby guy. Let's see, what else? We got, look at this gum that I found. Alright, watermelon, well, they've got like watermelon there, I've never seen that one before. Got Tridentler's strawberry citrus. And last but not least, look at this. Passion fruit. Oh, passion berry fruit. Yummy, yummy, yummy. All right, buddy, should we do the Swedish fish one?
Yeah.
Yes. All right, here we go. He's got the Swedish fish layer. All right, put it in your mouth. Tell me what it tastes like. It really tastes like Swedish fish.
Swedish fish flavor.
Does it taste like
This
it?
is great.
It is great. This is really good. You know what tastes better than Swedish fish?
Yeah.
Alright, we're gonna have this all day. It looks like another bird. There we go.
He jumps on your shoulder.
Hey guys. We're at the Grand, I think it's called Grand Waikiki.
Sam, you don't even want to stand out your picture.
Ava, look at that. Do you see the huge bird? Do you want to touch it? Oh.
Cover your ears, guys. Don't let him
That was that bird that squawked.
Over there.
Ava, look at the sea turtles. Boy, oh look, there's one right there. You see that? Right there. Sitting there.
And then one on this one.
And then look, there's one on this rock right here.
They look like a statue. Are you sure?
Is that real?
No, they're real.
It's not even moving.
He's real because this
Yeah,
one
look, his
over
head just moved.
Alright.
You win.
Look, and then there's tons over there, guys. There's 3 over there.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. Cool.
There used to be penguins here.
So we saw macaws and parrots or whatever, and sea turtles.
Careful walking. And there used to be penguins here.
Yeah.
And then they got rid of them, I guess.
Yeah.
So, but like, I guess 2 years ago. We went here like 6 years ago when Alex was a baby.
I know, that's what I'm thinking. Gotta rest there.
Unless they've got a special bone.
Ava, how are we gonna get the turtles to move their heads?
Yes.
Hey, let me have you go touch them, okay? Ready? 1, 2. Okay.
I
Okay.
want to touch.
We're just gonna send Alex to go touch them. Ready?
Okay.
Okay, ready?
Okay, I'm ready.
1, 2, 3. Oh, that didn't
Come
work.
on, let me go over there. Go.
Where are you looking at?
Where?
Come here, let me show you. It's right there. See that big, that big peak right there? That's called Diamond Head.
Wait, that big bow?
No, the big peak, the mountain peak.
Wait, that?
Do you know what a
Little
mountain peak
island?
is? You're just messing around.
Wait, that?
No,
Wait,
yes.
Those things?
The big,
Wait,
the-
that?
no, the big mountain peak.
That?
Yeah, that right there. Right
Wait, no,
there.
that time. Yeah, that time.
Yeah. Stop messing around. Ooh, look at this. Hey, we should hang out in the lake.
You can get
Not
one of
my
those.
idea of Hawaii,
You
but
can get one of those, but that requires
oh,
body.
it's cloudy now. Uh-oh, mommy's going away. I can't get what? One of these? Hey, we should get a paddle boat, and then I throw you in.
No, that uses body power. You can't throw me off.
Paddle boat and I throw you in. It's a deal. And rainbows, this is the rainbow state. Rainbows all the way up and all the way down. That's it. You gonna punch me again? I just go like this. Yeah. No, 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 don't punch me. Ugh. So this is pretty cool. This is a caricature of all of the Hawaiian Islands. I think this is really, really cool. There's Maui, and of course we have the Big Island as well.